Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility, Thunderbolt 3 or 4, and a supported Mac OS build. Once done, pick an eGPU enclosure that matches the GPU power draw and has a quality PSU. This matters for stability and performance. Make sure you've downloaded required GPU drivers and firmware updates before connecting. Prepare necessary cables and any adapters. That reduces interruption. Doing these prerequisites first prevents repeated installs and keeps the process smooth when you proceed to physical connection and software setup. You now connect the hardware and configure the system. Shut down the Mac, attach the eGPU to Thunderbolt, then power on the enclosure before booting Mac OS to ensure handshake. This often avoids detection bugs. Once booted, open System Report to confirm the PCIe device, then monitor GPU usage in Activity Monitor. If apps need explicit assignment, set eGPU use in the Apps Info pane or use Mac OS external GPU preferences. Make sure to log out and back in after changes so drivers and assignments. Finish by validating performance and optimizing settings. Run a benchmark and the apps you plan to accelerate so you can tune fans, power, and display routing. If the eGPU isn't detected, try another Thunderbolt port, update enclosure firmware, or swap the cable. These simple swaps often fix handshake failures. If issues persist, reset SMC and NVRAM and perform a safe boot to isolate driver conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: always power the eGPU before starting the Mac. That single step resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.